If you've tried AI website builders before, you probably got something that works but looks generic. Orchids AI promises to be different. It's backed by Y Combinator and claims to make sites that don't look AI generated. Let's see if it's worth your time and money. Orchids AI calls itself the world's first AI full stack engineer. You can chat with it like a person, tell it what you want, and build entire websites or apps. No coding needed, no drag and drop, just type what you need and it creates everything from the design to the backend in minutes. The biggest win here is design quality. Most AI builders give you cookie cutter websites. Orchids actually creates beautiful modern designs that look like a real designer made them. It ranked number one on design benchmarks, beating tools like Lovable and Bolt. Speed is impressive too. Users report building complete landing pages in under 15 minutes. You can also clone any website by pasting its URL, which is great for getting inspired by competitors. Orchids handles way more than basic websites. It can build authentication systems, connect databases, add payment processing, and even create real-time features. It's a true full-stack tool. You can make landing pages, web apps, portfolios, or business sites. The chat interface makes changes easy. Just tell it what to fix and it updates instantly. Getting that final 20% perfect still takes manual work. The free plan is limited, so you'll likely need the paid version at $25 per month. For complex enterprise apps, you might hit some walls. Orchids AI is genuinely impressive. If design matters to you and you want fast results without coding, it's absolutely worth trying. The free version lets you test it risk-free. At $25 monthly for paid plans, it's cheaper than hiring a designer or developer. For startups, small businesses, and creators who need professional-looking sites quickly, Orchid delivers.